Now, when built, this kit is supposed to be one of the most capable kits out there. So we are going to kind of build this up and have some fun with it. First of all, hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're going to take a look at unboxing the Vanquish Products VRD Carbon Chassis Kit. Now, when built, this kit is supposed to be one of the most capable kits out there. So we are going to kind of build this up and have some fun with it. First of all, let's take a look at the box. Here we go, the Vanquish VRD Carbon Kit. Alright, on the back of the box you can see some of the details of this kit right here. It is a servo on axle rig, so it is a 4-link suspension setup. It's got some weights already. These aren't brass. I believe they have heavier brass ones, but they use the F10 portal axles that the Phoenix did. Here's the VRD carbon transmission. And this is pretty much the layout for this chassis. So you can see how the motor, like using the VFD transmission, is nice and low and biased toward the front. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look and see what's inside. Alright, first up, we've got the manual, as well as some decals. Now, since this is a chassis kit, it does not come with a body. You'll have to supply your own body, and it also does not come with wheels and tires, so you will have to supply that as well. Quick look at the manual here and see how that's all laid out. The carbon manual. So if you've ever built Vanquish kits before, the manual is pretty much the same type of layout. Should be pretty easy to follow. Alright, next let's take a look at what items are in this. Alright, let's see here. We've got bag C, which is the skid, along with the bumpers, battery straps, looks like the links as well. Links right there, battery strap, rod ends, here's the skid. Bumper mounts, bumper right there, bag F, drive shaft, bag D. So in bag D, it looks like we've got the parts for the transmission, the motor mount plate, as well as the slipper clutch, gears up there, baggy. These look like they're the shocks. Yep. See the shock springs right there, rod ends for the shocks, shock oil. Where's the shock body? Yeah, there they are. Shock bodies are right there. Alright, bag B, we have the rear axle. This is the rear axle. Rear portal axle with the gears for it. Bag A, front axle, knuckles, knuckle weights or portal cover weights, axle housing, some of the thread lock and grease that come with the kit, axle tube brass weights right there. So baggy is front axle. We've got a small spare parts bag right here. Bag G, we have body post mounts and the tool for their wheel nut. I believe they use like a M4 or something thread. So the wheel nut's a little bit bigger, or I think it was. At least it was on the Phoenix, so I'm pretty sure this is the same way. So there's that adapter tool for that. And last but not least, 2 sets of frame rails for the VRD Carbon. Right there. Or not 2 sets, but 2 sides. And that pretty much does it for this unboxing of the VRD Carbon kit. I cannot wait to get started on this. This will be my first performance-oriented flat rail chassis. I did start one, the IRC Merge Class 1, but I haven't finished that one yet. That one I was kind of going more towards a scale performing setup. So I'll eventually get around to finishing it. I think I'm just being held up by which ESC to use on that one, as well as finishing up the body. I just haven't had time to finish that up. This one, I don't have to worry about it so much. I'm just going to stick a Lexan body on this one. So this one should go pretty quick. It'll be a pretty quick build, and I'll be able to take this out to the beach and drive it on those rocks over there. But overall, excited to start this build. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for the future updates on this Vanquish product, VRD Carbon chassis kit and build series. Thanks for watching.